The Booster Pro Mini. Here's what it looks like. And if you want to compare it to the HR Booster Pro that's not mini, you can see the size difference. So the head of it's definitely bigger on this one. This one's a little bit smaller. And the functionality, there's a lot more functionality in the bigger one. You can do many light modes. This has 2 light modes. Also, this, I was kind of surprised, did not come with a charger. Almost every device I've ever been sent has a USB charger, but this one actually didn't. So I was really shocked by that, but you just charge it yourself. So super, super simple to do that. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. It's a 2-second press. And then you have your red light.
Level 1.
And you have level 1.
Level 2.
Level 2.
Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 1.
And then back to level 1. So you get 5 levels. It is recommended that you start with level 1 and then you go from there. Okay, that is in the red light mode. And then if you go click, click,
Level 1.
that changes it. So you can do blue light or you can do red light. It's kind of your choice on that. And pretty simple. Okay, so we'll probably start, I think we should start with red light, because that's my favorite. In order to use this, I do think you want to have a serum as well. This is the PDRN one by Medicube. It has salmon DNA in it. How cool is that? So we're just going to put a little bit on here on my forehead. And then we'll go ahead and use the device. Okay, so this is on, I'm on level 1, and this one kind of does like a light vibration. And I'm doing like a swirly. That's all I'm doing, like a real quick swirly method. I feel like level 1's pretty light.
Level 4. Level 5.
Let's go to level 5. I know it says to start at level 1, but I feel like I'm okay with going a little higher. There we go. So this one, if you want to start a little stronger, if you're used to red light therapy devices, I think you'll be okay. I'm on level 5 and it doesn't feel too strong. And I'm just kind of doing like a swirl on my forehead. Okay, now I'm going to do the cheeks and then we'll do the jawline. Okay, we'll do it on both cheeks. The first time I used this serum, I didn't love the smell of it, but now it's kind of growing on me. I like the smell now. Okay, so the serum is on, and then we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go like an outward motion. Again, I'm on level 5 with this, so I'm on the strongest level, and I don't feel like it's too strong, so that's good. And then you can also do spots. So I have these dark spots I like to work on, and I'm just holding it for like 2 seconds. It's doing like a little tiny microcurrent. But you can see, look at with the glow it's giving my cheek right there.
One minute passed.
Okay. And it talks to you too. So after a minute, it just said 1 minute passed. And I do feel like it's getting a little bit stronger. And I'm doing just a couple like spot treatment areas right now. Okay, and then we're gonna wrap it up with the chin area. You could do the little swirly method, or you can just kind of glide it, or you can spot. I do find the harder you push, the more you feel it, for sure. So when I do this method, I feel it a lot more than when I'm kind of swirling. And that's it. You use this for 5 minutes, and you can use this 1 to 3 times a day, which I think is kind of a lot, but I love how simple it is to use. And if you don't have a serum, you don't have to, but it will glide easier with a serum. And then again, double click. That will change it to blue. And then you can also go at like a lower rate around this area of your face, the central area. Blue light's really good for like clearing any acne or anything like that. You can use it on your neck, just don't use it in the center area, especially with the red light.
2 minutes passed.
So 2 minutes right there. Easy, so easy to use. And then you could do your full 5 minutes. And then you're done. It's small, it's convenient. There's not a lot of functions. There is an app. So if you wanted to track your progress, you can use the free app as well. And then you're just gonna clean this part when you're done. And when you need to, you'll charge it back up down here. But this is pretty cool. So this is the mini. This is the mini size. And again, the other one, the larger one, you can see the difference right there.